Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Doctor Kit is probably one of the most engaging toys you can get for your kids. These kits are designed to spark imagination and teach children about the world of medicine in a fun and interactive way. They typically come with a range of tools, from stethoscopes to syringes, allowing kids to roleplay as doctors and nurses, and even treat their favorite stuffed animals. Number 5. Liberry Doctor Kit for Toddlers. This doctor kit is designed with little hands in mind, making it easy to grasp. It's made of durable, non-toxic ABS plastic, so you don't have to worry about safety while they play. The electronic stethoscope makes heartbeat sounds, and the sphygmomanometer has a rotating gauge. The thermometer, otoscope, and other tools light up, giving kids a realistic experience. Batteries are included for immediate fun. This playset sparks imagination and creativity while teaching kids about different medical tools and body parts. It can also help them feel less anxious about visiting the doctor. The sturdy storage box keeps everything organized, whether at home or on the go. The carrying case is spacious enough for all the pieces and helps teach kids to keep their toys tidy. The latches are easy for children to use. This doctor kit is a great gift for any occasion, from parties to birthdays. Playing with it helps children learn about doctors and can ease their fear of checkups. What we like. This kit features realistic sound and light effects, making playtime more engaging. It also comes with a convenient storage box, perfect for keeping things tidy. If you're looking for a doctor kit that combines fun with learning and easy storage, this is a great choice. It's ideal for parents who want to encourage imaginative play and reduce their child's fear of doctors. What people say. Hours of fun, great storage case, great learning time too. The variety of pieces are very true to the real doctor's instruments. Love that it has lights on 2 of the tools. She just brought it to her doctor's appointment and it was a big hit. Number 4. Toddler Doctor Kit, Dress Up Play Set. This kid's doctor play set includes a doctor's coat and various tools. It encourages imaginative play, helping children become familiar with doctors and ease any anxieties about checkups. It's a fun starter set for young aspiring doctors. Designed with lifelike details, this set enhances the play experience. The stethoscope makes a heartbeat sound, and some tools light up, making it more immersive. This set encourages parent-child interaction and is perfect for exploring the medical world. This kit combines fun and learning, growing with your child. They can roleplay as doctors or nurses, enhancing social skills and creativity. It helps them recognize medical tools and learn about health in a fun way. Made of safe and durable materials, this kit is perfect for little hands. All the accessories can be stored in a toolbox with a handle, promoting good habits. It's compact and easy to carry, suitable for travel and keeping kids entertained. This pretend play set is a great gift for birthdays and holidays. Role-playing is a timeless activity that children will enjoy. Please note that it includes batteries, and supervision is recommended for younger children. What we like. This set includes a doctor's coat, allowing kids to fully immerse themselves in the role-playing experience. The realistic sound effects add to the fun. If you like the idea of your child dressing up and pretending to be a doctor, this kit is perfect. It's great for kids who enjoy role-playing and want a complete doctor experience. What people say. The stethoscope and tools are safe, lightweight, and perfectly sized for small hands. It comes with a doctor jacket, hat, and glasses. He loves pretending he is checking the family's heartbeats, temperatures, and giving out shots and medicine. Number 3. Sundaymot Doctor Kit for Kids. This incredibly realistic doctor toy set will inspire your child's imagination. It includes a doctor coat, stethoscope, and many other accessories. Each accessory is carefully crafted to provide a lifelike medical experience. This doctor set fosters learning and development through engaging pretend play. Children can become doctors and nurses, using the stethoscope to examine and treat patients. This interactive play sparks imagination and teaches about medical tools and empathy. Safety is a top priority. The doctor kit is made from high-quality, durable materials like smooth wood and non-toxic ABS plastic. The design features rounded edges, ensuring a worry-free play experience for both children and parents. The Toddler Doctor Kit features a sturdy canvas medical bag for easy organization. Simply pack everything back into the bag after playtime. The portable design with a comfortable handle ensures effortless transportation. This Kids Doctor playset is an excellent gift choice for toddlers. Its captivating packaging and endless play possibilities make it a standout gift. It's ideal for birthdays, parties, and fostering social skills, bringing joy to any child. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of realistic accessories, providing a comprehensive doctor experience. It's made from durable and safe materials, ensuring long-lasting play. If you're looking for a doctor kit with a lot of accessories and easy storage, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love to explore and play with different medical tools. What people say. The stethoscope isn't just for show, it really amplifies sound. The blood pressure cuff pumps and releases like the real thing. Cute doctor coat and hat fit her with some room to grow. Thermometer lights up red, and flashlight REQ2 batteries, but a huge hit. So much included: the oxygen mask, blood pressure cuff that spins, meds, magnetic ointment and cough syrup, pills, tray, tweezers. It had a lot more than I expected and love that it all fits into carrying case. Number 2. Lehoo Castle Doctor Kit for Toddlers. We've updated this doctor kit, replacing the human organ model with identification cards. This makes it safer and more suitable for toddlers aged 3 and up. It's designed to provide a fun and educational experience. This Lehoo Castle playset includes a stethoscope, identification cards, and various medical tools. Kids can explore these tools and enjoy playing with friends. It's a great way for them to learn and have fun. This doctor playset sparks kids' interest in medicine. By using the stethoscope, they learn about medical tools and body parts. It helps them understand organ functions and reduce anxiety about doctor visits. Made from smooth wood and BPA-free plastic, this medical kit is safe with no sharp edges. They can confidently play with these non-toxic, well-crafted tools. It's designed with safety in mind. This doctor set comes in an attractive package, making it an excellent gift for various occasions. It's ideal for pretend play and role-playing fun. Give them the gift of imagination and learning. What we like. This kit has an upgraded design, with human organ identification cards instead of small parts. It encourages educational pretend play, helping kids learn about medicine. If you are looking for a doctor kit that prioritizes safety and education, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for parents who want to combine fun with learning and want a safe play experience. What people say. It includes so many realistic tools that make pretend play super fun and educational. Everything is well made, safe, and has realistic details. The stethoscope makes sounds, the costume is adorable, and the case keeps everything organized. Number 1. EFOSHM Kids Doctor Playset Kit for Toddlers. This amazing kit comes with 34 essential medical tools. It includes everything needed for a fun and educational role-playing experience. It also has a convenient storage bag. The set includes a stethoscope that makes real heartbeats, a blood pressure cuff, and more. It helps children learn about medical tools in a fun way. They can pretend to be a doctor and treat their patients. This playset fosters imagination and reduces anxiety about doctor visits. It teaches children about medical tools and body parts. It's a great way for them to learn and have fun at the same time. The doctor kit is made of durable, non-toxic ABS plastic. The tools are designed with no sharp edges, ensuring a safe play experience. It's safe for young children to use. It comes with a spacious storage bag for easy storage and travel. This helps teach children the importance of organization. It is perfect for playing at home or on the go. This doctor set is perfect for parties, role play, and birthdays. Playing with it helps children learn about doctors and eases their fear of medical visits. It's a great gift for any toddler. What we like. This kit includes a real stethoscope and a variety of medical tools. It helps children learn about medical tools and body parts, reducing anxiety about doctor visits. If you're looking for a doctor kit with a real stethoscope and easy storage, this is the perfect option. It's great for kids who want a realistic doctor experience and parents who value educational play. What people say. Oxygen, thermometer, stethoscope, and syringe shotas are surprisingly functional in their childlike way, which is perfect. The real stethoscope is a fantastic touch and makes the play feel extra special. With many accessories and bag to store them, along with coat, hat, and lanyard, this is a great play set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.